Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English the Natural Way. I'm Alex.
Hi, friends. I'm Linda. We're so excited to have you with us today. No matter where you are right now, at home, at school, or relaxing, thank you for choosing to learn English with us.
Today, we're going to talk about something really cool, the present continuous tense.
Don't worry about the big name. We're going to make this super simple and fun to understand.
Even if you're just starting to learn English, you'll understand everything.
By the end of this episode, you'll know exactly how to talk about things happening right now.
Before we start, if you enjoy learning English in a simple and fun way, please like this episode, share it with your friends, and subscribe to English the Natural Way.
All right, let's get started.
So first, let's understand what present continuous means in the simplest way possible.
Great! Let's make this super easy.
Imagine you're watching a movie. What do you see?
You see people moving, talking, doing things.
Exactly. Everything is happening right now on the screen.
Present continuous is like describing what's happening in the movie right now.
Present means now, at this moment.
Continuous means it's happening, it's going on, it's in progress.
So, present continuous means actions happening right now, at this moment.
For example, I am talking. This is happening right now.
You are listening. This is happening right now.
We are learning English. This is happening right now.
Can you see? Everything is happening now.
Let me show you with actions. Watch me.
Okay, everyone, watch carefully.
Pretends to jump. I am jumping.
Yes, she's doing it right now.
Pretends to clap. I am clapping.
Perfect. That's happening right now.
Pretends to dance. I am dancing.
Great. All happening right now.
That's present continuous, describing what's happening at this moment.
Now, let's learn how to make present continuous sentences. It's really easy.
Yes, there's a simple formula like a recipe.
You need two parts. First, the be verb, am, is, are. Second, the action word with ing at the end.
Let's break it down step by step.
Step 1. Choose the right be verb.
For I, use am.
For you, we, they, use are.
For he, she, it, use is.
Step 2. Take your action word, verb, and add ing.
Play becomes playing, eat becomes eating, run becomes running, sleep becomes sleeping.
Step 3. Put them together.
I plus am plus playing equals I am playing.
She plus is plus eating equals she is eating.
They plus are plus running equals they are running.
That's it. Super simple.
Let's practice together. I'll say the parts, you put them together in your mind.
Ready? Here we go.
I plus am plus reading equals
I am reading.
she plus is plus singing equals
She is singing.
we plus are plus playing equals
We are playing.
he plus is plus sleeping equals
He is sleeping.
they plus are plus dancing equals
They are dancing.
you're doing great.
Now, let's talk about adding ing to verbs. There are some easy rules.
Don't worry, we'll make this super simple.
Rule 1. For most verbs, just add ing.
Play becomes playing, talk becomes talking, read becomes reading.
Just stick ing on the end. Easy.
Rule 2. If the verb ends with e, take away the e and add ing.
Make becomes making. Take away e, add ing.
Come becomes coming, write becomes writing, dance becomes dancing.
Drop the e first.
Rule 3. For short verbs like run, sit, swim, double the last letter and add ing.
Run becomes running. Double the N.
Sit becomes sitting. Swim becomes swimming. Stop becomes stopping.
Double the last letter.
Let's practice. I am making a cake.
She is running fast.
We are sitting down.
He is swimming in the pool.
Perfect.
Now, let's talk about when we use present continuous.
Yes, when do we use this tense? Let's make it super clear.
Use 1 for actions happening right now, at this exact moment.
Look at me, pretends to write. I am writing.
You can see her doing it right now.
The baby is crying. You can hear it now.
It is raining. You can see it now.
The dog is barking. You can hear it now.
All happening at this exact moment.
Use 2 for actions happening around now, these days, this week.
I am reading a great book. You're not reading it this second, but you're in the middle of it.
She is learning to play piano. It's a process happening these days.
We are studying English, not right this second, but during this period.
They are building a house. It's in progress these days.
All temporary actions.
Use 3 for temporary situations.
I am living with my friend this month, just for now.
He is working at a cafe this summer, just temporary.
She is wearing glasses today, just today, maybe not tomorrow.
Now let's make negative sentences. This is easy too.
Yes, to say something is not happening, just add not after am, is, or are.
The formula is subject plus am, is, are plus not plus verb ing.
I am not sleeping. I'm awake.
I am not eating. She's not eating right now.
We are not playing. We're not playing.
They are not watching TV. They're doing something else.
Easy. Just put not after am, is, or are.
We can also use contractions to make it shorter.
I'm not sleeping.
She isn't eating, or she's not eating.
We aren't playing, or we're not playing.
They aren't watching TV, or they're not watching TV.
Much more natural. Now let's make questions. This is fun.
Yes, to ask if something is happening, we switch the words around.
Put am, is, or are at the beginning.
The formula is am, is, are plus subject plus verb ing.
Are you listening?
Is she sleeping?
Are they playing?
Is he eating?
Am I talking too fast?
All questions.
And we answer with short answers.
Are you listening? Yes, I am. Or no, I'm not.
Is she sleeping? Yes, she is. Or no, she isn't.
Are they playing? Yes, they are. Or no, they aren't.
Simple and natural.
Let's practice with WH questions. These use what, where, why.
Yes, just put the WH word at the very beginning.
What are you doing?
Where is she going?
Why are they laughing?
Who is he talking to?
How are you feeling?
All natural questions.
Let's practice answers. What are you doing? I'm reading a book.
Where is she going? She's going to school.
Why are they laughing? They're watching a funny video.
Perfect.
Now let's compare present continuous with simple present.
This is important. They're different.
Simple present is for habits, things you do regularly.
I play soccer. This is your hobby. You do it regularly.
Present continuous is for things happening right now.
I am playing soccer right now at this moment.
Let's compare more.
Simple. She eats breakfast every day. Habit.
Continuous, she is eating breakfast right now, happening now.
Simple. They go to school. Regular activity.
Continuous, they are going to school right now.
Can you see the difference? Simple present equals habits and routines.
Present continuous equals actions happening now.
Al, let's practice with a fun game. I'll describe what's happening. You imagine it.
Great. Close your eyes and imagine.
The sun is shining. The birds are singing.
A little girl is playing in the park. She is running and laughing.
Her dog is running with her. His tail is wagging.
Her mother is sitting on a bench. She is reading a book.
Some children are playing soccer. They're kicking the ball.
An ice cream truck is coming. It is playing music.
Everyone is smiling. They're having fun.
Could you see it in your mind?
That's the power of present continuous. It makes things come alive.
Now let's talk about time words we use with present continuous.
Yes, these words tell us it's happening now.
Now. I am studying now.
Right now. She is cooking right now.
At the moment. We are busy at the moment.
Currently. They are currently working.
Today. It is raining today.
This week. I am reading a book this week.
These days. She is learning Spanish these days.
All show present continuous time. Now let's practice with a real conversation.
Great. Let's imagine a phone call between two friends.
Ring ring. Hello?
Hi, what are you doing?
I'm watching TV. What about you?
I'm cooking dinner. What are you watching?
I'm watching a funny show. It's making me laugh. What are you cooking?
I'm making spaghetti. My sister is helping me. She's cutting the vegetables.
That sounds delicious. Is your brother home?
Yes, he is. He's playing video games in his room.
He's always playing games. What's your mom doing?
She's working in the garden. She's planting flowers.
Nice. Is it sunny there?
Yes, it is. The sun is shining and the birds are singing.
Perfect day. Hey, why are you calling me?
I am inviting you to dinner. We're having a barbecue tonight.
Great, I'm coming. What time?
6 o'clock. We're starting at 6.
Perfect. I'm getting ready now. See you soon.
See ya.
Did you hear all the present continuous verbs?
Yes. Are you doing? I'm watching. I'm cooking. You're watching. I'm making. She's helping. She's cutting. He's playing. She's working. She's planting. The sun is shining. The birds are singing. I'm inviting. We're having. I'm coming. We're starting. I'm getting ready.
All describing actions happening now or around now.
The conversation sounded completely natural.
That's because present continuous is used all the time in daily English.
Let's talk about common mistakes with present continuous.
Yes, let's help everyone avoid these mistakes.
Mistake 1. Forgetting am, is, are.
Wrong. I playing soccer.
Correct. I am playing soccer. You need the be verb.
Wrong. She eating lunch.
Correct. She is eating lunch.
Always include am, is, are.
Mistake 2. Forgetting the ing.
Wrong. I am play soccer.
Correct. I am playing soccer. You need the ing.
Wrong. She is eat lunch.
Correct. She is eating lunch.
The ing is essential.
Mistake 3. Using the wrong be verb.
Wrong. I is playing.
Correct. I am playing. Use am with I.
Wrong. They is playing.
Correct. They are playing. Use are with they.
Remember, I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it is.
Mistake 4. Using present continuous for habits.
Wrong. I am drinking coffee every morning, if you mean it's your habit.
Correct. I drink coffee every morning. Use simple present for habits.
Present continuous is for actions happening now, not regular habits.
Let's create a fun story using present continuous.
Great. This will help you see how it all works together.
It's Saturday morning. The sun is shining brightly.
In the kitchen, Mom is making pancakes. The smell is spreading through the house.
Dad is reading the newspaper. He is drinking his coffee and smiling.
Upstairs, little Emma is waking up. She is rubbing her eyes.
Her brother Tom is already awake. He is playing with his toy cars.
The family dog, Max, is running around the garden. He is chasing butterflies.
Emma is coming downstairs. What's that smell? She's asking.
I'm making your favorite pancakes, Mom is saying with a big smile.
Emma is jumping with joy. Yay! I'm so happy!
The whole family is sitting down together. They are eating, talking, and laughing.
Outside, the birds are singing. It's a perfect morning.
Everyone is enjoying this special time together.
That story painted a beautiful picture, didn't it?
Yes, present continuous makes stories come alive.
It's like watching a movie in your mind.
Let's give you some fun practice ideas.
Yes, here's how to practice present continuous every day.
Idea 1. Describe what you're doing right now.
I'm sitting on the couch. I'm watching TV. I'm eating popcorn.
Idea 2. Look around and describe what other people are doing.
My mom is cooking. My brother is studying. The cat is sleeping.
Idea 3. Describe what's happening in a picture or video.
The children are playing. The dog is running. The sun is setting.
Idea 4. Describe the weather.
It's raining. The wind is blowing. The leaves are falling.
Idea 5. Describe your feelings.
I'm feeling happy. I'm enjoying this lesson. I'm learning English.
Practice every day and it becomes natural.
Now it's your turn to practice.
Don't be shy. This is easy and fun.
Look around you right now. What's happening?
Write 3 sentences about what you're doing or what you see.
Use present continuous. Am, is, are, plus verb ing.
Share them in the comments. We'd love to see them.
Remember, there are no mistakes, only learning.
Every sentence you write makes you better.
We're so proud of you for learning.
Keep going. You're doing amazing.
Let's do a super simple review.
Present continuous means actions happening now.
Formula, am, is, are, plus verb ing.
I am, you, we, they are, he, she, it is.
Add ing to the verb.
Negative, am, is, are, plus not, plus verb ing.
Question, am, is, are, plus subject, plus verb ing.
Use it for actions happening right now or around now.
Use time words like now, right now, at the moment.
It makes your English alive and exciting.
Practice by describing what's happening around you.
If you enjoyed this episode, please give it a thumbs up.
Subscribe to English the Natural Way for more fun lessons.
Leave a comment with your practice sentences. Tell us what you're doing right now using present continuous.
We love hearing from you.
Learning English is a journey, and you're doing great.
Present continuous makes your English sound natural and fluent.
Keep practicing every single day.
Remember, we believe in you.
Thanks so much for learning with us today.
Keep smiling, keep learning, and keep believing in yourself.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.